talk about some of the ways that maps add value to your life. And I'm not just talking about the fact that they're awesome. I'm talking about monetary value. Because maps have some big dollars behind them. America, land of the expensive map. Because this is the land of the $10 million map. You heard that right, $10 million. Because you see, the Waldseemuler map, which is the first map to actually say the word America, just sold for $10 million. Yeah, you heard that right, $10 million. On the subject of ridiculously expensive American maps. In 1784, the newly formed United States printed its very first map. Produced by Abel Buell, and it's one of the rarest maps in the world. And it sold for $2 million. Maps are everywhere, but there was a time when they had to be drawn and copied by hand. Before the mass productions of maps were printed, one lone map was printed, the very first printed map. The first printed map wasn't in an atlas or a road map. It was actually inside an encyclopedia. Not the whole thing, but a mere sample of this map fetches a price for $829,000. Now that's a Costco sample I can get behind. We all know people who think that they're the center of the world. I mean, you're all my center, obviously, but China printed a map on rice paper that depicted it as the center of the world. And for a mere $1 million, this rice paper map could be yours too. Sometimes maps are out of this world. But literally, this next map truly is out of this world because you can own the Apollo 17 landing map for a mere $28,000. What was the purpose of this map? To find their way back to the space shuttle in case they got lost on their little stroll across the moon. So hold on to those maps, my friends, because you never know when they're going to make this list. And be sure to hit like and subscribe so you can check back next week and see what other map facts we've got coming for you.